Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: project title, lead agency, date, contact info, and high-resolution logo. Once gathered, pick paper size, A4 or letter, and set margins to 2 cm so nothing is clipped. Make sure you select orientation and binding type now, because these choices dictate header placement and bleed. Also choose a simple color palette for accessibility. This helps when you scale the cover for print or PDF. Begin a single master file, so edits stay consistent. Now you lay out the cover. Place the main title prominently, top center, and use 2436 PT so it reads at a glance. Subtitles and version info go underneath. Position the agency logo top left and align it with the title baseline. This creates a balanced visual anchor. Add a contact block and confidential notice bottom right, including file ID or reference number. Once done, check alignment with guides and use consistent spacing. This makes the cover look professional and easy to scan. Finish by proofreading every element. You must confirm names, dates, and version numbers are correct. Once approved, embed all fonts and set output to 300 dpi for print quality. Export as PDF/X1A or a high-quality PDF to preserve colors and layout. Make sure images are linked or embedded so nothing goes missing. If printing problems appear, convert colors to CMYK, add or correct bleed, and flatten transparencies. This usually resolves common print errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.